In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wondered why your page looks tall and narrow sometimes, and wide and short other times, that's all about orientation. Portrait is the traditional vertical layout used for most documents, while landscape flips the page sideways, giving you more horizontal space, perfect for wide tables, large images, or side-by-side content. Here's how to switch between them quickly and confidently. First, open your document in Microsoft Word so you can see the content you're working with. Having the document visible helps you immediately preview how the change affects your pages and layout. Next, head to the Layout tab at the top of the Word window. This tab sits on the ribbon alongside Home and Insert, and it holds the tools that control how your page looks and behaves. In some older versions of Word, you might see it labeled Page Layout. It's the same place, and it contains the page setup options we need. Inside the Layout tab, look for the Page Setup group and click Orientation. This button opens a small menu with your two choices. It doesn't make any changes just by opening the menu. It simply lets you choose which direction you want your pages to flow. Now choose Portrait or Landscape. The moment you select one, Word applies it to your document, and you'll see the pages reformat. Portrait keeps the page taller than it is wide, ideal for letters, reports, and standard writing. Landscape makes the page wider than it is tall, which is helpful when your content stretches across the page, like spreadsheets, timelines, or panoramic images. After the switch, text may rewrap, images might shift slightly, and margins will adapt to the new shape. That's normal, and it's a good cue to glance through a few pages to make sure everything still looks the way you expect before sharing or printing. Keep in mind that your printer will honor whichever orientation you select here, so what you see on screen is what you'll get on paper. If you ever want to go back, you can return to orientation and pick the other option just as easily. That's it. With your document open, the Layout tab selected, orientation clicked, and your preferred option chosen, you're set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy formatting!